Length. Wrap 2 circles around your hand. What about after 2 circles? Bend over here and fix it. Fix it. And there's a hole in the middle. We'll just wear it on the long side. It's his ears. The ear is the length of a finger. Let's give him a twist. Fix it. Then the long one goes around again and comes over here. Beyond his other side, or the hole in the middle. Go through. Both ears should be the same length. Then twist it again. Let's give him another cheek twist. There's a hole in the middle that you can go through. Then we put the long side. Go through the middle here to be his cheeks. Can be pulled closer. Same here. Go through the middle here in the same position just now. Then adjust it. After adjustment, let's start again. Right behind the head. Hungry, come back here. And then, look at him. There's a hole in the middle. 2 ears apart. There's a hole in the middle. Go from the head down here. Wear it. It's more filling. Then slowly adjust. And now we're going to use this bench for his front legs. Same here. Both sides should be the same length. Then we go around this one from the top left. Go around to the bottom right and do his hind legs. The hind legs are shorter than the front legs. Okay, just bend the rest to the back. Get his legs off again. Adjust it. The hair needs to be taken care of. First, use an awl to pick out all the fur inside the duck. Start combing after picking. Brush the cat's ears up the limbs. Brush the back of the head down from the chest. Body brushes for its tail. Brush and start trimming. Start under the eyes. Cut out the puppy's round mouth tube according to the arc. Trim the puppy's full head again. Novices can do it in small quantities, multiple times. Make sure the forehead is round and plump. When dealing with the connection between the ear and the face, follow the junction to trim. Next, trim the sides of the cheeks, subject to smooth lines and full cheeks. Trim the puppy's chin and neck again. Pay attention to the direction in which the scissors are used. Follow the arc of the puppy's body to trim a round and full posture. Start trimming the top of your head to your ears. Trim joint. They always cut the seams first. Then complete the trimming on both sides of the seam. When trimming the back of the ear to the back of the head, note that the ears are thick at the top and thin at the bottom. The shapes of the ears on both sides should be trimmed as symmetrically as possible. Trim the connection between the neck and back, same as the previous method. A knife to the body and the back of the head. Cut out the seam. Then bounded by the seam, trim out the back of the head like an arc. The back should be relatively straight. When trimming the chest of a puppy, do it from a V angle. After handling it like this, the puppy's chest is relatively full. When sitting, your head is held high. Treatment of the tail root. Refer to the previous method of trimming the joints. Cut off the excess hair on the tail. How to trim puppy buttocks. Refer to the V-shaped trimming method on the front chest. Let your puppy have a round buttocks. And finally, you trim the joints between the limbs and the sides. If a local collapse is found during the production process, you can pick out this part of the hair. Just brush it fluffy with a steel brush. The trimming work is basically completed. Now let's get down to the details. Poke the hair on the inside of the ear with a needle, unified inward and backward, so the cochlea of the puppy appears. Examine the hair on the back of the lower ear. Simply sort it out. Start installing eyes and nose on the puppy. After installing the nose and eye, under overall observation, pruning. Cut out the position of the puppy's mouth. The twisted puppy doesn't open its mouth this time. So, just trim the outline where the chin meets the nose. What about after the hair's trimmed? We're going to close the eyes. Use your nose to find the location. Then press him. Jolly. That's it. Cute little Jew. The method is the same for each puppy, and the position of the accessories and the color. Position can be as shown in the picture.